Ano ba difference ng no balance at saka zero balance?
Pag pumunta ka ngayon sa LGU Hospital, covered ka ngayon ng no balance billing policy and that is for indigents. What does no balance billing mean? It doesn't mean no balance. Kasi may balance. Kasi there are case rates but some of them are outdated, and as I also explained earlier, we are migrating to the DRG, which is a different system from the case rate na mas complex ang review niya ng babayaran. But for now, we still have case rates. So there's a big chance na meron kang balance.
Okay, so what's the difference between zero balance and no balance?
So
there's
zero
no such thing as
balance
zero
is the DOH hospital na talagang zero balance. Ang no balance sa LGU hospital is only for indigents, pero hindi siya, it's possible na may balance pa.
So hindi no balance yun?
Hindi nga. Kanina ko pa sinabing hindi
No,
nga.
sabi mo sa LGUs, it's no balance.
No, that's the name of the program. But it doesn't mean that it is no balance. That's why
So isn't that false advertising?
I think so.